Here's how to reset your Android phone without losing data. Now we need to get to your settings, so swipe up to the app drawer and tap on settings. Now first we'll back up everything so we can make sure that you're not going to lose your data, and then I'll show you two options to reset it. So let's scroll down from here and tap on Accounts and Backup, and then in my case, Google Drive Backup. Most people with an Android phone just back up to Google Drive. Make sure on here everything is turned on, and then just tap on Backup Now, and then enter in the PIN for your phone. After you've done that, it'll go through the backup process. Now it's on to resetting it, and I'll show you two different options to do that. Let's tap on the back arrow to get back to the very beginning of your settings, and then we'll scroll down to General Management and then Reset. On here, it'll give you a couple different options to be able to reset it. Now, if you wanted to basically reset your phone, but not delete the data on it, basically keep all your photos, your text messages, all that stuff, you can choose this Reset All Settings. You can see it'll reset all the accounts, the personal data, the settings for the apps, but it'll keep all your photos and stuff like that. However, you can also just go back and choose to do the Factory Data Reset. Now that we've backed everything up onto the Google Drive, essentially we can reset your entire Android phone back to factory default as if you just got it, and then you can choose to restore all of that data from your backup if you choose to do so.